It's Saturday morning in Las Vegas. We're about to load the truck up. It looks awesome in the daylight. This is the first time we've seen it out in the sun. Boys are about to go get some gas. Forgot to put in the cup holders.
Yeah, no, they're right here.
Oh yeah. Just called crotch holder. So we drove the truck from Circus over here. We don't have it registered or anything yet, but it wasn't that far. Drove really good. This is Saturday. It's the first day for load up at SEMA. This Factory 5's booth. If y'all see us, make sure to tag us. Nope. Factory 5 brought out a bunch of cool cars. Got the GTM. Look at the dash.
I kind of like this car. It needs something different.
And honestly, I really never liked the 818, but in person it looks really, really good. That color rocks. It's Saturday, first day of load-in. There's still several days before everybody else gets here. You can kind of see how massive of a job it is to get this thing up and running. People have been here for a couple of weeks now getting set up.
Quick change are in, wide 5, hub, 3-piece wheels, R5, P7, Schmidt TKO 5-speed. So it's a race car, but it's not probably good enough for a race. Yeah, well, I mean, it's like a over there. This is a fucking good idea. Yeah, it is. You don't want to give them
What's up? Time for sushi. Gotta go eat a sushi samba.
Here we go.
It is the handicap.
To avoid situation, please stand clear.
Sure. Sure, you can park your Geo Metro right there. Oh, you're a person.
Next stop southbound is Tornado Central Power Station. Next stop is
Might be your selfie.